Welcome back to freewebcoach.org tutorials. On this video, I thought I'd like to show you, quickly how to make a post on your WordPress blog or website. Now to do that, well, just go to, of course, to your WordPress account on your domain. So let's do that right now. So on an open browser like this, again, just go to your domain, okay, www. Okay, and then the name of your domain. For my case here, .org, and then do a /wp-admin. Okay. So again, that's wp-admin. Okay, there's a dash. All right, and then your domain. Alright, so that's how you access your WordPress, your website basically. Okay, and then just go to it. Alright, to ask for the username and the password. So I'm logging into this account right now. There, so I'm going to make a post. To make a post, we'll just go to posts and right here, add new. Click on it. Alright, so write the title. Okay, start with the title. Now for this post, by the way, I recommend that when you write an entry for your blog or website, use Microsoft Word so that your spelling and grammar are checked both at the same time, right? And when you have this, so I'm already done writing this particular post titled Using WordPress, how to set standard using WordPress, how to set standard settings for WordPress. So now when you post this to your blog right here, I recommend that first you copy all. So do a Control A, right, like that, highlight all, and then do a Control C, and then go to open a notepad. And the reason why I'm advising you to do this is sometimes there are hidden codes in this Microsoft Word document, and when you paste that straight to your blog, it might cause some errors. So just pass through Notepad like this here, paste that content right there, and then do a Control A, copy, Control C, and then paste that right there in your blog. Okay. Now you might want to add a picture, right? Okay, so the title first. I'm going to remove the title here, and then put the title there. Okay. Now the good thing with WordPress is you can set your URL to look just like this, and to do that, it's actually somewhere here. It will show up somewhere here, but not on this particular window because I'm using the visual editor. So for me to see that permalink, oh there, oh it's appearing now. So I just hover over this visual here, and then it's there. So you can actually edit. You can edit it. Just click on it, and if you think that's okay, so just click OK there. Okay, so this is my blog entry, and I do want to add a picture on this thing. So make sure if you want to put the picture on the left, just make sure that you move your cursor to that very far extreme left. Okay, and then when you're there, just click this upload add media button here. So I'm going to click on it. Well, I don't have actually a picture yet, so I'm gonna go to Google and try to find a good picture. So well, this entry is about WordPress, how to use WordPress. So let me look for a particular picture about using WordPress right now. Let me type how to use WordPress. This is what the entry, the article is all about. Okay, or maybe using WordPress. Okay, and then click search. And I'm looking for pictures. I'm gonna click here, pictures. Okay, so maybe I'll go for this. Looks nice, yeah. Uh, oh, by the way, these pictures. So I'm just getting a picture, right, and right straight from Google. So I don't own these pictures. So later on, well, I might get some warnings, right, from the owners of this. And when I do get the warning, I'm just gonna remove the picture right away. So I recommend that you put your own picture in your blog. But I'm showing this to you just for the sake of this video. So for this video, maybe I'm gonna use this picture. I'm gonna click on it, and yeah, I'm just gonna check the picture. I'll do a right click and save this picture on my computer. Yeah, it's about WordPress. Okay, I'm saving it in this folder here, downloads. So I'm saving it now. Okay, it's now saving. Okay, still saving. Okay, so once it's available, then I can upload it. Okay, there. So it's saved. So I'm going back to my WordPress here. So I'm gonna browse for that picture and upload it to my blog. So it's in the folder, downloads folder. So I'm gonna look for that folder here, and that picture is named WordPress. So here. So just clicking on it, and then I'm gonna upload it there. So I'll click upload. So this is how the new interface of WordPress looks like. So it's there. It's now showing. Okay, you might wanna put a title for that one, which that's a WordPress picture. You can just leave the rest blank actually, but you can you can also put information there. Might help to rank your article. So I want to put the picture left, so I click left, and I want the medium sized. All right. And I also want this picture to be the featured image for this article. So I'm just gonna click use as featured image, and after that, to insert that particular picture, I'm gonna click this one here, insert into post, and that will there insert the picture. So now I'm going to fix this particular entry here. I'm gonna put a space here, and then let me check on the original document. I'm gonna put a picture here on themes, starting with that word themes. Where is that? Oh, here. So I'm gonna put a space there. Yeah, space. And after that, write in categories. There. Okay, that should be enough space. Another space here for pages. Another space for posts. Another space for settings. Also here. Space here. Just to make it look neat. There. Also another space there. I'm gonna need lots of space. Okay, another space there. Because when you paste this document right from Microsoft Word, when you paste it to Notepad, so all the hidden codes just disappear. It's just clean text. That's why even the spacing is gone, right? So that's why I'm fixing it now. So yeah, space there. Because if you paste it straight from Microsoft Word to your WordPress editor, so it might cause some errors. The hidden codes might cause some errors. Okay. Oh, there should be another space here. I think this is about it. Yeah, I think this is it. Okay. And I do want to add a video on this one. So earlier I actually recorded a video just about this article about using standard settings for WordPress. I do have a video on that. So for recording the video, I actually use this software, this one here. It's called Debut. This recording software is actually free, but well, this is not the best screen capturing software actually. The best I would, if you want to get the best, I would recommend this software called Camtasia. But this is $300. So, and the reason why I'm showing you that I'm using a free software is since the vision of this website is to start a website, a business online at the least cost. So I'm using free stuff. But if you want to go ahead and use the professional stuff, then this Camtasia here, just type it in Google, and then they do offer a trial. I think it's a 30-day trial. So there, this is where you can download it. And if you're using XP, I recommend that you use, if you want a free software, I recommend that you use this software called Cam Studio. Let me show that to you. So I recommend you use this one, Cam Studio. So in Google, just look for it. But based on experience, Cam Studio works best if you're using Windows XP. If you're using Windows Vista or Windows 7, like what I have here, you will need to have a computer with a separate video card. So if your video card is an integrated video card, integrated right on your motherboard, or in the case of the notebook I'm using, it's integrated right on the same chip as the processor, so it won't work. Okay, so because you will need to turn off a certain feature called hardware acceleration for your video, and you cannot turn that feature off if you're using a video card that's integrated to your motherboard. So that's why I'm using Debut, because Debut does not have a problem with that. So for another option is Cam Studio. So this is best if you have a separate video card, or if it's integrated, just you must have Windows XP. So just go to their website here, camstudio.org. Okay, that's the actual URL there, camstudio.org, and then scroll down, and here you can use the latest version here, camstudio 20.exe. Alright, so yeah. So I do have this a video for this, and I've already recorded it to a folder, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to upload that particular video to YouTube, because I don't want to put this particular video on my blog, on my WordPress blog. Actually, you can do that, but it will slow down. It might cause some issues with your hosting account, so it might slow down your website, right? Due to bandwidth limitations. So well, you need to upload the video to YouTube. Another reason why you need to do that is it might help to spread the news about your article. So it might help to optimize your site as well, so people can find your article in the webs in the internet through your website, and also through YouTube, right? So to go to do that in YouTube, first I need to upload that particular video. And since Debut, the video is on AVI, their format is on AVI, a video file called .avi, and YouTube is fine with AVI, but based on experience, it slows down. So you want to convert this AVI to a .flv file, right? You want to convert it, and to do that, here's a software I recommend. Okay, but this is not the best software, I suppose. Well, you can find your own. You can do a little research, but for this, I use this software here. It's called Free Video to Flash Converter. So I'm opening this software right now. Okay, Free Studio. You can just type that or yeah, Free Studio in Google and it will show up. No problem. Okay. So it's now opening because I want to convert this video file that I saved. I saved that video file on this folder. Let me look for it real quick. Somewhere here. It's on a folder here, and then it's over here, and debut screen capture. Yeah, and the video is a .avi. This is the one using WordPress. So I'm going to convert that using this Free Studio software. And here's the software. Just here, click this Add Files, and yes, this is the one. Not this one. I'm gonna look for that file first. I need to refresh this folder, so I'm going there. Here, debut screen capture. So I'm looking for that file. Yeah, okay, here using WordPress. So just click open, and it will be added right there on top. This one. So now you also need to set where you want the converted file to be saved, and to do that, just click this one here. And for this, I've set it to save on this folder right here. This one, this file location. It is in Files, Movies, and Cam Studio. Okay. But to change that, just click this, okay, and just click the folders that you want to use. And the format, well, it's only SWF or FLV. SWF, you will still need to convert that. Just use FLV. And the settings, I recommend that, yeah, it should be high quality so you can have stereo. And then just click convert, and it will convert that video. So I'm going to pause this video because it's going to take a while. Alright. Alright, so this video is now done recording or converting that AVI file to FLV. So now we can upload this video to YouTube on the FLV format. Okay, let's close this. So I've set this software Free Studio to record that converted file to this location. Oh, by the way, you can check out Free Studio right here on their website. So just type Free Studio in Google, and the first one that shows up, that's the one. Okay. Okay, that's the one. And this video recorder I'm using, which is Debut, you can get this at you can go through File Hippo. Okay, just type File Hippo in Google, and once you're in File Hippo's website, yeah, once you're there, so on their search bar right here, just type Debut. It's the only one there. Just click Go and click on it, and you can download it using this link here. Okay. Alright, so let's upload the video. Yeah, Cam Studio, just go to camstudio.org. Okay, so let's upload that FLV format video. Now let me go to the folder right now. Let's upload it to YouTube. Okay, so that video is found right here. I'll just go to move this folder here and right here. Okay, so what's the title of that? It should be on this folder here with this date, December 16. Nope, it's the 19th today. So that video is right on this location. Okay, so let me go there right now. Okay, so it should be here, this folder. Alright, so here, this is the FLV file. Now I'm going to upload this to YouTube. So I'm going to open my YouTube account. Okay, so I'm just go to Google and type YouTube and go to YouTube and then sign in for my channel. So I'm going to sign in so you can get to my channel. Okay, this is my username and the password should be this. So I'm now trying to access my channel so I can upload this video right in the channel. So there, I'm just going to click this here, upload. I am now on my YouTube channel, free web coach channel, and I'll click this one here, select files from computer, and I'm going to go back to that folder where I saved the FLV file. So uploading YouTube to videos to YouTube, you should use FLV. Based on experience, it uploads faster. Okay, so it's in this folder, and here it is. I'll just click on it and click open, and YouTube is now trying to upload that video. So right here, while YouTube is uploading, so you can type title there. Just keep it clean. Okay, remove the .flv. Okay, this is the title, and you want to use this same title as your description, and for your tags you can also use it. And there are here are suggested tags here by YouTube. Now tags are useful for so that people searching that particular topic in Google, they can easily find it. So let's see if these suggested tags here are useful. So I don't think any of these are useful. So I'm just gonna choose a category here. I'm gonna choose education. It's gonna be a public video. I'm just gonna use the standard YouTube license, right? So it's still uploading. This is gonna take a while. Estimated is 35 minutes. So I'm just gonna pause this video for now, okay? And I'll just get back to it once it's uploaded. Alright, so finally that video has been just uploaded to YouTube right now on this URL. Now let's check if this video looks okay. Otherwise, I'll have to upload it again. Oh, it's too long. So that means I'm gonna have to create a shorter video version of that. So I'm going to pause this video and create a better video. Alright. Alright, so I have created a shorter video to replace that one. Now, while it's uploading, in the meantime, let's just get any video, just for the sake of showing you how to do this. So let's just get any video from YouTube like this one. So if you are looking at the video, just hover over here, share, and then just that's below the video, and then click that one, share, and then click embed. Now you have the code here, right? So just right click on it and then copy, and then go back to your WordPress. Now now you see that I'm using the visual editor here because I want to see the picture and how it looks like. This is more like a WYSIWYG. Okay, what you see is what you get. So for you to put the video, you have to go to the HTML editor. So just click on this tab here, HTML, and then right below, let's say you wanna, I wanna put the video below the article. So just put a little space here, and then I'm just gonna right click and paste that code from YouTube. There it is. Now So this is the actual HTML code of that video. Now I want the video frame to have a width of 600, and then the height is 345. I want it larger than the standard YouTube video frame. So I now have a picture, and then let me go back to the visual editor. So I now have a picture and a video. So what I can do now is, you've noticed that on this article I do have some links here, URLs. So that's a URL. Let me do a quick search on that, on those URLs. So I'm just gonna click on the article and do Control F. Okay. So I can see the search bar over here. Now let me show you that real quick. So I'm doing a Control F, right? For those of you who already know this, so this is really basic, right? Control F is you want to search for something on a document or on the screen. So let me go back to that. So I did a Control F, and here in the search bar, I'm going to search for stuff that starts with HTTP for the URL. So here's one here. This is a URL for FileZilla. So in the article I said just go to FileZilla. So I'm going to replace this with the word FileZilla. Okay, FileZilla there. And then I want to make this a clickable link that points to the FileZilla website, right? So I'm gonna go up here, and then I'll click this one here. It says link, to insert a link. So first I highlighted that word FileZilla, and I want that to connect to FileZilla's website. So I'll just click on this link here, and there. So I'm just gonna paste that actual URL. So there it is, and yeah, I can put a title, so that's FileZilla, and I want that to open in a new window. So I want it to open in a new window, right? Because I don't want people to leave my site, right? So I just click Add Link. Okay, so now it's blue underline, right? So this is now a clickable link. So I'm gonna look for some more URLs that I have here on this article. Here's another one here. So to check, to make the colors blend perfectly on your site, you want to go to this website, colorlovers.com. So I want this to just say color lovers. So I'll say go to color lovers to get perfect color blends, something like that. Oops, spacing is lost. So yeah, later. Let me do the spacing again. So there should be a space here, a space here, and another space here, another space here. By the way, if you are in the HTML editor, you can just insert this is the command for space. I think it's P, but let me use this for now. So I'm just inserting the spaces there. Okay, so going back to that color lovers, where is it? Here. So I want this to be a clickable link that points to the color lovers website. Okay, it's highlighted, and then I am going to click on this link and put the URL for color lovers, and okay, that's the label, color lovers, and click add link. Now it becomes a link. So this article is almost ready. So before I actually post this, I will need to check a few things here. So especially here in the categories, I want this. This article is about basic website building. By the way, these categories, these are the categories I created. Okay, and I also want it to appear in the featured category. All right. So because I have the SEO plugin by Yoast, so it automatically creates the snippet. So it's like showing that this is how my article will look like if someone search for something about WordPress standard settings in Google. Okay. Other settings here for the slider. Okay, I'll just leave it at that. And I want to show the social sharing button at the bottom of the article. So I'll click show button, and the date. I don't want to show the date because 1 year later, this video or this article might still be relevant, and people who see an old post or an old article, they might not read it. So there. So I think this is ready. Now I can just click publish, and let's see. Okay, it's published. So let's check on the website now. Okay, I'm here at the website, so let me just refresh the site. Okay, so here it is. So it now appears in the slider because I have set the slider to show featured posts, and here is the actual article here. So this is the actual article, and I say there that to see a detailed video instruction at the bottom, but the video is not yet done. So alright, okay, so the video is not yet done. Okay, it's taking time to load, so I can go back to, oh, here's the video. Okay, but that is the wrong video, right? So I'm just gonna fix it later. But at least I've already shown you how to put that video right there. So this article needs some editing. Okay, so I can go back to my WordPress and then actually edit that post. So I'm gonna go to the HTML editor and add some commands there to create the line breaks or the spacing. All right. So what I can do here is, I'm not an expert of HTML, but I do know that some commands will actually create space here. Let me try this command. T. Let me see if this one works. Oops, I'm not unable to type yet. Alright, so I did not have to make some HTML commands to make sure that there are spaces, alright? I just went to the HTML editor and then I put the spaces there. So if you encounter issues like this, when you are on the visual editor and your post is not showing the spaces, so just go to the HTML editor right here, click on it, and then put the spaces, and then usually does it. And don't forget to click this button update. So on the website here, the post now is better, but still not the right video. So that's it for this video, and thanks for watching.